Are you looking for a New York business broker? Consider East Coast Business Brokers. With over 25 years of experience brokering wholesale and manufacturing companies, retail stores, franchises, and commercial leasing. Henry Galasso and his brokers and partners provide exceptional service and work to ensure their clients' needs are diligently met. As your go-to boutique brokerage firm, they handle all the complicated issues involved in buying or selling a business. So the only thing you need to think about is a prosperous future when you buy or sell your New York metro area business. When vetting buyers, there are no additional fees and no gimmicks, only a simple registration process that provides great opportunities. As the leading and fastest growing New York business broker, East Coast Business Brokers provides a simple and easy process for their clients with proven exit strategies. They're responsive to all inquiries about buying or selling a business in the small to middle market sector and pride themselves on great customer service. Tired of your boss? Want to work for yourself? Contact Henry Galasso and Partners, the New York business brokers of choice, by visiting eastcoastbusinessbrokers.com or call 516-342-1648.